Hey guys, welcome to the most undervalued crypto channel on YouTube. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Guys, in this video, I wanted to do a quick market update for you. Everything has been going exactly as predicted and exactly as planned, but that doesn't mean we need to get too happy now. We need to prepare because there's so much coming up, so we have to get ahead of it. Most of the retail investors choose to chase pumps, but in this group, in this community, you know that we're wolves and we literally go hunting before they pop off. And it's either you lay your eggs and you wait for them to hatch, or you just don't chase after them, you know. So with that said, I want to touch base on Bitcoin, but we're going to also discuss some of the coins that I talked about in my last video, how the Metaverse coins are moving on Decentraland. Terra Virtua that I told you guys is about to take off. We're going to look at that. Senso, Illuvium, and TLM. Very excited video, guys. I hope you guys watch it to the end. But first and foremost, we need to start with Bitcoin. I see a lot of TA out there, and I don't know if like some TA people are just blind, and they're showing a bunch of different charts on Bitcoin, but there's only one valid signal I see, and this is the inverse head and shoulder that we have right here on Bitcoin. And as you can see, we broke to the upside. This is really, really good for Bitcoin. That means that next level that Bitcoin will be targeting will be 66,800, which is going to be the next level of support next level of resistance after 65,000. I believe once Bitcoin breaks this level, Bitcoin can enter parabolic phase, which is what Bitcoin does every time that we do enter this level of price discovery. So I'm really excited to see how that plays out. In addition, to understand where BTC is going, I need to share with you guys some very important setup here, and this is on the Bitcoin dominance. So a lot of your altcoins are taking off because of this reason, and you need to understand this. The Bitcoin dominance continues to go down, and right now we can see that the Bitcoin dominance broke this support level, which is what I was praying for in my last video as well. The fact that we broke this level means that the Bitcoin dominance may go lower and the altcoin dominance may start to rise, which would be very good for all of our altcoins, and we can see it already playing out with a lot of coins. In our portfolio on their Patreon groups are in like double-digit greens, and I'm really excited to share these with you guys, and I hope you guys appreciate it. If you do, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, let me know how you feel. All right, and yeah, as you can see here, the Bitcoin, the others chart with the dominance of all these other altcoins against BTC continue to rise. And if I bring this up with my two favorite moving averages, the 200 and the 50, give me 1 second here. Yep, we can see that we had a golden cross on the 4-hour on here, and look how the buying pressure is coming in, and we keep getting supported by this 50 moving average right here. This is really exciting to see. This is really good sight to see. So now let's kind of talk about some of these coins that I mentioned, because right now, guys, it's very important to understand narratives. And I'm wearing my polka dot because I'm going to make a second video today to talk about some polka dot stuff. But in this video, I want to discuss further the Metaverse narrative. Okay, Metaverse is something that I'm really big into. I believe truly, even before this whole Facebook thing, I've been sharing Metaverses on this channel. And one of our big gainers in this whole Metaverse is Decentraland Mana, that we literally came down here, and this thing went all the way up to even $5, which was about like 500% gain. And I want to give you guys a little update on Mana. Like, you don't want to chase these pumps, but Mana is looking great. Please do not buy anything based on what I'm saying. This is my own view, but Mana looks ready to rally again. Understand, buying at these levels is very risky, since Mana has literally already done, if you're counting from here, 283%, and we bought Mana like under like 60 cents, and Mana's now at like $3 in like less than a month. So this is really exciting. So I want to show you guys something, is that Mana, as you can see on the 1 hour here, was in this symmetrical triangle. We broke to the upside. We found support above the 50 moving average on the 1 hour, and this is showing to be very strong support. What you want to see is on the RSI. I want to make sure that you guys can see this. On the RSI, you can see this thing is curving higher, right? This is a good sign because we're seeing that full reversal on the RSI as well. What we want to look for is for this to fully confirm is a bullish MACD cross. And when this MACD fully crosses bullish, I think that Mana is going to start running again. I did not take profit on Mana. I'm still holding because I believe that this Metaverse trend is going to be going till probably next year when all these news are coming out. Another coin that has been making us a lot of gain, and it's also a metaverse but for concert and live concerts with DJs and so on, is Senso. You will not see a lot of people on YouTube talking about Senso, and this is why I'm bringing it up. So we bought Senso way down here, and Senso literally did 396%, and now Senso is kind of like cooling off. All right, what I like to see is that we have not just dumped, we came back straight to the support levels that I had here, and it did serve as support as predicted. And right now we can see that Senso also is showing similar pattern to what we saw with Mana, which is this symmetrical triangle right here. Okay, and what we want to see for Senso, right, is we want to see Senso hold this 50 moving average on the 1 hour to go get another leg up. All right, I think that whenever anything metaverse is going to be talked on, these things are going to bump, and RSI is also curving higher. One coin that I didn't mention, that is two coins I mentioned in the last video that are going to take off soon, that if you miss out these two, and I wanted to share with you, get these for, but I'm sharing with them with you guys, not telling you to go buy them, okay? I'm just telling you to share what I've been accumulating and what I've been focusing on. And one of these is TVK, Terra Virtual. I'm really big into this project. I was one of the first to also mention it on YouTube, and we've been buying Terra Virtual for a long time. And I also kind of have not talked about it because Terra wasn't doing much for a while, but we've been very good at calling every bottom on Terra. And right now, apart from this bearish MACD cross on the 1 hour, which I don't think will last longer, but I'm going to pull this up on the 4 hour, but this looks really good. We had a golden cross right here, and you can see how this is starting to accumulate. Most importantly, it's very important to look at this volume right here. This is very strong volume for Terra Virtual, guys. I'm really excited to see this thing is going to start accelerating, and this is a coin, when it starts moving, it does move very, very quickly. We bought Terra way back here, made massive gains on the way up, and we're about to do it again, especially after this round bottom, falling wedge, broke out of the downtrend. Terra is looking very, very, very healthy and very strong. I'm expecting a big move from Terra Virtual. If we do take off from here, which we've already bought Terra way back here at 19 cents, but if you do get in here and you take profit at 67, that would be 150%, and if you take profit at the previous all-time high, that would be about 358%. Another coin that I like that's very similar to Terra, but it is definitely a play to earn, and it has the most players out of any play to earn, even Axie, is TLM, which is Alien World. What happened with this is, I've told you guys before, a lot of the people that bought this, and like I said, they dumped it when the coin released, but that doesn't mean that this project is not very solid. Alien World has a bunch of planets that you can mine TLM from and other resources, so that's definitely something to look into. So metaverses are pumping, so with that idea, it's very important to understand the concept of why people would invest in something like this. Okay, it's metaverse, it's play to earn, you have to take it seriously. So with that said, right now what I love to see in TLM is that we also had this golden cross right here, and we are breaking out. And just like TVK, look at the strong volume. I always find that TVK and TLM start to move together. And I do like to see that they tend to pump together. So that's very interesting. Keep in mind, these things can always come back and retest the 50 moving average before taking off again. So I wouldn't fully FOMO into these. I would definitely just dollar cost average and understand that these are some mid to long term plays, and not expect instant gratification too quickly on these ones. And if you're looking at TLM against BTC right now, you can see that we're also in a major triangle in this downtrend, and we just broke out. And against Bitcoin, guys, we're having a golden cross. This is going to be huge. If this plays out and starts taking off, I do see TLM start to fly. So this is definitely something you all need to keep in mind. And last but not least, the one coin that I've been the most excited about is literally Illuvium. Okay. We did a very good call on Illuvia, right? So basically, yesterday I made a post on my Patreon group, and I said, "Hey guys, like I'm getting the chills watching this Illuvian chart, and I feel like Illuvium is about to go vertical soon." And literally, this is what it's doing. Illuvium was going like this, and now it's just going vertical. And I do see this coin about to go parabolic in a way that we haven't seen in a lot of coins. But this is going to be a really good gainer. Like I called this at 626. Right now we're sitting at 1235. That's already 95% gains. Where do I see Illuvium going long term? I see Illuvium hitting at least $3,000 by the end of this month. I know this sounds crazy, but if you watch the Illuvium trailer, you will understand exactly where I'm coming from. What these guys have done and what they have done is they have created a play to earn that looks amazing. It's also an RPG, it's a play to earn, it's an NFT platform, and it's also DeFi. Guys, this is like such a great combination and such strong fundamentals that I do see this project going very far. And what they're doing is we all used to play Pokemon or watch Pokemon, and when Pokemon Go, you remember how many people would literally try to catch Pokemon and battle with them, etc. This is very similar to like a Pokemon type of game, but it is on the blockchain, and I like that they didn't fully copy Pokemon, but it just kind of took the battle scenes. But Illuvium is still its own thing, and the graphic looks amazing. I have never seen a game like that. And the thing is, they've actually are working and they're completing it. Like I love Star Atlas, I like how it looks, but that seems so difficult. So I don't know. Sometimes when they're too ambitious, it's very hard to see them succeeding. But I'm not. I hope Star Atlas succeeds because I'm also invested. But I am so ready and so excited for Illuvium, and this thing is launching next year, 2022. So there's nothing bad that people can say about it, but right now, but have excitement, you know. So I believe that Illuvium is going to run to the end of this year, and I believe that this coin with a market cap of like 600 million right now could literally reach $3,000 by the end of this month. This is my prediction. It's not financial advice, but I do want to share this with you. So if you have not done so yet, please look into the trailer of Illuvium. I don't think it's too late. I think that this setup is curved to go parabolic. So if this video comes out on time, you might still have some chance to dollar cost average to get in. Understand there could still be a pullback to 1,040. That would be a very healthy pullback if we did something like that. But you can see how this thing is trending, and this thing is ready to blow. All right, so this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you appreciate my video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, you know what to do. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification. Let me know how you feel. Drop that comment. Let me know if you agree with what I've said. And if you disagree, that's fine. All right. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all staying safe. I'm very excited for us. I'm very excited for where this market is headed. I'm very excited to see how far we go. I'm very excited to see how bullish we turn. We are very bullish right now, but keep in mind, everything that goes up must go down. So do not chase projects that already done 2 to 3x, like Sandbox, for example. This is another Metaverse. Sandbox has just been killing it. But this is not something I would recommend getting into right now, because look, this thing just took off. You should have bought down here, and if you missed it, it's okay, because if you're buying up here, you're risking literally losing about this much, like 80 something percent, if we do come back. I don't think we're gonna come back down, because I think this narrative is strong. I don't hold any Sandbox. I know that is the great project, but I do prefer Mana Decentraland. And I think unlike Sandbox, Mana still has more room to run. Sandbox is gonna run, but it's gonna correct. But Mana hasn't done its second leg up, and Sandbox just already did. So I think Mana is going to have another leg up, so I'm excited for that. All right, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys appreciate my video. Stay well, stay safe, and most importantly, stay future proof.